students, today we are studying the pollination. What is the pollination? Simple. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. From anther to stigma. See this. This is the flower. Flowers consisting of male reproductive structure is called as anther. Female reproductive structure is called as a stigma. Anthers are produces the pollen grains. Pollen grains are non-motiles, so they are not moves from one flower to the another flowers. So they require the agency for transfer these pollen grains from anther to stigma. Listen this. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma, that is simple called as a pollination. Pollination requires the pollinating agency. What are the pollinating agencies? Pollinating agencies are like abiotic and biotic. Abiotic, non-living. Biotic, living. Abiotic pollinating agencies like the wind and water. Living agencies like insect, then bird and snail, etc. These are the agents that carried out the pollination process. Pollination is a prerequisite of the fertilization. Means pollination ही पहिली स्टेप असते fertilization. आणि fertilization मध्ये काय होतं? मेल गॅमेट्स अँड फिमेल गॅमेट्स यांचं फ्युजन घडून येतं. का? तर ते दोन्हीही नॉन मोटाईल आहेत. म्हणून काय होतं? Insects, for examples, visiting to the flowers for their own purpose, but they play important role to transfer the pollen grains from anther to stigma. From anther to stigma. Remember this thing. This is the simple process of pollination. The pollinations are differentiated mainly two types. First is called as here the self-pollination, and second one is called as a cross-pollination. Types of pollination. First is called as a types of pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. Remember this things. In the self-pollination, the bisexual flowers are involved, in which transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower. Anther to stigma of same flower. That means transfer जे असतात pollen grains हे त्याच फुलामध्ये anther पासून निघतात आणि त्याच फुलाच्या स्टिग्मावर पडतात, किंवा transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of another or different flowers present on the same plants is called as a self-pollination. Remember these things? Self-pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower, or transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of another flower on the same plant, that is called as a self-pollination. Remember this thing. It is called as a self-pollination. What is the cross-pollination? The cross-pollination, also called as a allogamy, in which transfer of pollen grains from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flowers of different plants of same species. Remember the cross pollination, that is transfer of pollen grain from one flower to the different flower. different flowers present on the different plants of same species, that is called as a cross pollination. The cross pollination involves two different types of the plants of same species. But self pollination, what's happening in self pollination? Transfer of pollen grains either in same flower or another flowers present on the same plant. But in case of cross pollination, what's happening? Transfer of these pollen grains from one flower to the different flowers present on the another plants which is having the same species. Important things, same species. And due to this, what's happening in the cross pollination? Variation is occur. Due to the cross pollination, variation is occurs. Remember these things? Okay, what we study, we take the one recap. We study the pollination. What is pollination? Pollination is transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. 1 point. Then important points. The pollen grains are non-motile. They require the pollinating agency that carry pollen grains from anther to stigma. These pollinating agencies are like abiotic, that is non-living pollinating agency like wind and water. We are detailed study in the next video. Then biotic pollinating, that is living one, insects, birds and snail. They are play also the role of pollinating agency. They are transfer the pollen grains from anther to stigma. The types of pollination. Pollination is are important two types, self pollination and cross pollination. Self pollination is also called as autogamy. Cross pollination is also called as allogamy. In self pollination, the single flowers or two flowers are involved. They are bisexual flower. But what's happening? In case of particularly the self pollination, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower or another flowers present on the same plant. While in case of the cross pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from another type of the flowers which is present on the different plants but having the same species, that is called as a cross pollination. What is happening in cross pollination? In cross pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the anther of the one flower to the stigma of another flower of different plants of same species, that is called as a cross pollination. Here the selfing takes place in the self pollination. But the chances of variation in case of the self pollination is not found, but in case of the cross pollination, variation is occur. And you know the variation is important phenomena of nature or evolution. The evolution based on the variation. Variation is necessary. Okay.